Ka Jingiap bun ki Sniang na kadaw ka Khlam kala penlong yo MLA ka Kongres na Mawhati ban wanra hayeng dorbar Halor ka Jingeh ki babun ba ki Nongri Sniang ki kendo. Halor kane na kaliang menteri ketenat veterinary ba ELHEC ba ru menteri rang ba kila pensyai Halor ki babun ki phang khamtam habaya day bat kilat Jingiada.
Year that the farmer has to repay the loans. That is number 2. And number 3 is, may I know from the Honorable Minister, the total number of pigs died and also the total number of Peccary Mission Society in the state due to African swine flu or swine fever.
So there's no such of the African swine flu, but there's African swine fever.
Yes.
So the question number 1 is the vaccinations. Vaccinations are available, sir. Number 2, about the deaths of the pigs. I'd just like to, in the East Khasinews, number 9, Riboy District 760, West Garo Hill District 149, West Khasinews 48, South Garo Hill 7, and Eastern and Western Khasinews is 1. So. And about the third question you have asked.
Loan.
Yeah.
About the loan.
The loan repay is just in the 8 years to repay the loans.
Okay, thank you so much for the reply. Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the problem that the department or the government cannot give compensation to the peccary farmers?
So this is, they have the component of insurance in the scheme, sir. So they don't have any compensations.
Okay. Sir, as per my information, many farmers had lost their pigs. And one peccary mission in my constituency, that is nearby my village only, Nongri village, informed me that about 90 number of pigs died. It's really a great loss to the farmers. And they keep asking me from where we will get the money to repay the loans. Will the department, may I know from the Honorable Minister, will the department will consider to give some compensation to the farmers? May I know from the Honorable Minister?
So the suggestions of the honorable member is noted, but that
I'm asking, it's not my suggestion, I'm asking, will the department have any intention to give compensation to the farmers, peccary farmers?
So we have already noted down, but only we have the components of the insurance, no compensation at present, that we already replied, sir.
One more, sir. As I have said, that it's really a great loss to our farmers, peccary farmers. I have one suggestion from my side, sir. I request the government of the day to kindly take any steps. If not in full amount, at least something is better than nothing, so that a farmer, peccary farmer, will restart the peccary farming in the state. This is my suggestion to the concerned department and to the Honorable Ministers.
So the insurance is about 4,000 rupees per pig, sir. If that farmers has lost 90 pigs, sir, they can claim the insurance, sir. It is given 4,000 per pig, sir.
But the problem, sir, the problem that we have, see, sir, I got the information that many piggery farmers, many of them has no information for that. They don't know about the, all the information especially for the insurance, that they have to, bring the pigs for the post-mortem and all. I got the information because in my constituency also, especially in Riboha district, many piggery farmers has got no information for that. So may I request the Honorable Minister in charge to kindly take it seriously so that all the farmers, piggery farmers, will get all the information.
So while they avail the loans, all the information has been given to all those who have already applied for the loans, those who have already availed the loans. But whatever suggestion given by the Honorable MLA, which has been noted down, sir, to get the information to all the farmers. Okay. Yes, but.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the amount of 4,000 insured for pigs is irrespective of sizes of pigs?
It says 4,000 per pig, sir, for any size of the pigs.
I'll just supplement on what the Honorable Minister has already mentioned. That, sir, the piggery mission, as you know, was something that we have done where the cooperative societies were brought out, and through these cooperative societies we gave loans. But apart from this, there are many other programs that the veterinary department is doing where distribution of piglets are also happening through other programs which are funded by the state government and some funds from the central government. So therefore it's a mix of many programs going on. So we try to compensate and help farmers in different ways. So yes, while this program has certain guidelines, because these are guidelines given by center and we have to follow those, we try our best to also compensate and distribute piglets and other forms of animals for the farmers, and piglets are also being distributed. So it's just for the knowledge of the honourable member that while there are certain laws and rules and mechanisms with which we have to follow, but other forms of support are also being given, and distribution of piglets are also being done in addition to other supports.